Well, the family just got bigger. Look what I picked up from Facebook Marketplace the other day. It is a custom Vibrolux Reverb amp. These things are notorious for hiss. Let me show you. See if you can hear that. See, the amp is on, let's see, normal, 3, nothing plugged in. Bright, on 3. Hear that? That is loud. Really loud. These amps are notorious for that, but I was checking the schematic, and there's a lot of potential on these amps. And these are just a few parts away of being a really good blackface amp. So let me turn this off. And so what I did is I ordered the Supreme mod kit from Fromel Electronics. I have used their mods before. I used their kit on my Princeton reissue right there, and it's great now. And I'm going to use it on this one and help it out a little bit. One of the issues with this amp is both channels, the normal and the bright, share reverb and tremolo. And unfortunately, how Fender did it, they introduced a lot of noise into the signal. The plunger pedal, which controls the reverb and the tremolo, is routed incorrectly. There's a better way to route it. And so we're going to recap the amp as well. Good possibility we're going to add negative bias, adjustable bias to it, and make it a little bit better. Separate the reverb and tremolo from the normal channel so we can have a really nice, pure, clean sounding normal channel and an even better wet, bright channel. And so come along for the ride. I'm really excited. This amp, it doesn't really sound great. When you plug, and I'll show you tomorrow once I put it on the bench, the ports aren't still in for it. When I put it on the bench, you're going to see that even when it's clean, pardon me, even when it's clean, you can hear hair on the note. It almost sounds almost like square wavy. And so the mod kit's really going to clean it up. I've used Fromel electronic mods on a Hot Rod Deluxe 3 that I have. I've used it, like I said, on that Princeton, and I really like it. And their instructions are just second to none. So the family just got bigger. I'm looking forward to it. Eventually, I may turn this amp into a Vibrolux AB style circuit, blackface. But for right now, I just want to make this amp a little bit better. And it's time to thin the herd because, you know, I got too much crap now. So I want to turn this amp into the keeper. So I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. I'm going to show you the things you need to consider as far as using modification kits, especially on these production line Fenders, because very easily something can go wrong. So I'm going to try to help you guys as much as I can to understand that. And hopefully you guys enjoy the journey and stick along for the ride. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a preview video on what we're going to do. Thanks.